Hey guys, and welcome to today's episode. In this channel we talk everything about Pokemon, Yu-Gi-Oh! And Magic TCGs. And in this episode we're gonna open a 5 display box or a display of 5 boxes of Ghosts from the Past. And that's what this episode is gonna be about. We're gonna talk a little bit of the ratios that I have been hearing and reading from a couple of guys that have opened a lot of product. And we do want to remind you that we do want to get to 1,000 subscribers. So if you like the content, comment, like, share. Also, if subscribe if you haven't done so already, that will be really helpful for the channel. That's it for the intro. Let's jump into the video. So how was that display openings for you? I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Like I said, the ratios are like 2.5, meaning that you have to buy like 125 little boxes of them, because they do come in 50 per case. So you do have to buy 10 displays or 50 little boxes, and that's 125 boxes or 2.5 cases to get a Ghost Rare. And this is how I've been seeing also in the prices that the Ghost Rares have been going up. I thought they were gonna be, you know, obviously they're not what we thought they were gonna be, but at the same time they're not as bad as I personally thought they were gonna get. I thought they were gonna get destroyed by the market, and that's quite not the case. You know, a lot of people have been looking for them, especially the Dark Magician. I have been seeing people that want to collect them all also. So that's very good for this product that, you know, it failed and disappointed a lot of people. However, it has proven that it still sells. So the total tally for this opening was like $75, give or take, you know, TCG lowest. And I paid around 75 bucks also for the 5 boxes in the display. So I would say that I netted zero, but you know, the cost of selling the cards, meeting up with people or shipping them out if you want to sell them online, you know, is gonna eat up into my inventory or into my profits, if you will. So I will call it a loss. So if you're gonna buy very small amounts of product, I suggest you just buy the cards that you need, because it's not really worth it. And maybe my boxes were really bad, but I don't think so. I think this is the norm on the boxes. Some of the cards I see them appreciating in price, but some of the cards I think they're gonna stay and remain at the prices they are. Like I said, so if you want to go into Ghosts from the Past, just invest heavily and try to get a couple of cases. That way you are guaranteed almost that you hit a ghost rare, and that will make you actually be in the green, be profitable, and just sell all the other cards and just try to move all the other cards if that's what you're trying to do. If not, you know, just buy a couple of cases, get your ghost rare, and you know those cards are very good. I saw a lot of good cards for a lot of good archetypes, so that is my advice. So that's it for today's video. Hopefully you like this type of content. If you do, comment, like, and share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thanks to our sponsors, Game Inc. and Dex. Both are linked in the description of this video. That is it for today's video, and we'll see you in the next one.